Good morning to all of you. How are you, all of you? Very good. Today we are going to read about the poem Geography Lesson. By listening the term Geography Lesson, as if today we are going to read something about geography. Actually, it's not like that. In the poem Geography Lesson, written by Julfikar Ghosh, you will find lots of geographical terms are there, but at the same time our feelings, our sentiment, it also it also has a great role. That also we have to understand. So let us start the poem now. uh, when you go to your city, you are accustomed to see, you are accustomed to watch, and every day in fact you see your city. But have you thought any time that how your city looks like when you are on 10,000 feet height? Is your city looking same when you look it from the ground level? Definitely not. As if it looks like that, it is neat and clean, it is well designed. Somewhere some geometrical design is also there. Why it happens? That also we'll discuss today. So let us start the poem now. When you are flying, when the jet sprang to into the sky, at that time it looks like that your city is very much clear to you, as if it has been developed exactly in the same way how it should be developed. Clear? Everywhere everything is nice. Though before climbing, before boarding, you see your city completely haphazard, completely unplanned, completely no style is there, like that only. So generally we are accustomed to see our city like that, but from the height some different picture comes to us. When our height is 6 inches to the mile, from that height we observe in this way. So your jet is flying, its height is increasing. When you are at 10,000 feet at that time, you feel like that there are so many cities you can find there. And when you see so many cities, one question comes in your mind, that why so many cities have been developed near the water bodies, either near the river or near the seas. You look at the metro cities of our country, whether it is Mumbai, Chennai, Delhi, Kolkata, all cities have been developed where? Near the Either near the river or near the sea. Why? That question also will come in your mind. Even you will find one more point also, the valleys, that is fully populated. Why? Why people are living in the valleys? And that is called the logic of geography. So land and water attract human beings. That is the clear picture comes to you when you are in the 10,000 feet in height. Now your height is increasing. You are in 6 miles height. When you are in 6 miles height, at that time, not only the cities, even other countries are also visible to you. And then, as if the entire earth is visible to you, you see. And when you see the entire earth, it looks like that. It is full in round shape. Clear? And one more thing you find, water more, land less. That also find. 3 parts are water and 1 part is land. That picture also comes to you. So all these things are becoming very much clear to you whenever your height is increasing. But your height means the height of the jet when it is flying high. But one picture is not at all clear. Even we cannot understand also that why the men on this earth, why they are fighting with each other, why they are hitting each other, why they are killing each other, why they are building walls across the cities, why all these things are going on. That picture is not visible from the height. In fact, that question is raised by the poet also, why it is so. So let us to think, all of us, why it happens. Definitely one point will come in the conclusion that from the height we can see only those things which are visible to us. But when people hate each other, kill each other, build wall across each other, that comes from the conscience, that comes from the brain, that we cannot see. For that, our feelings, our thinking, our conscience, all these things are required. If we apply our brain, if we think, if we consider, if we try to understand the human beings, then only this picture will come to us. Otherwise, from the height you cannot see anything. And at the same time, the poet also wanted to indicate that this attitude is not at all appreciable, because when the beauty of the city we are discussing, beauty of the earth we are discussing, definitely this is just opposite picture, that people are killing, hating, destroying, building wall. So all these things are creating some negative impact in our life. So we have to stop it at any cost. Thank you.